Well, good afternoon from Ocala, Florida. I am here in Palm Cay, which is a 55 plus community in the southwest area of Marion County. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 990 square foot home with a 2-car garage located inside of the gated community. It does have a fenced backyard. The roof was put on in 2014. I believe the AC was put on in 2011. And there is a big enclosed Florida room, sunroom in the back of the house with tinted windows. So let's go inside and take a look at this one. There's a vacant lot across the street I'm sure somebody owns. And nicely landscaped front yard, needs a little cleaning up, but nothing you can't take care of. And as we step inside, kind of get a view here. Got a carpet in the living room, vinyl floors in the walkway, vinyl in the dining room, and those double sliders, or slider door going out to the sunroom, and a little galley kitchen. You're going to need a stove and refrigerator in here, and your laundry room. And then, of course, your 1-car garage with a newer Chamberlain garage door opener, some built-in shelving. Nice flat surface. Really no step-ups here. And again, back into your kitchen, dining room area. And another view of the living room. Nice bright yellow walls. Little hallway takes you down to the 2 bedrooms. Here's your guest bath. Vinyl flooring, tile shower, and guest bedroom, or bedroom number 1, I guess we'll call it. Green carpet floors, green walls, nice light colors. Big closet there. And the master is purple with a gray carpet. Looks like you might have to replace it. And the master bathroom, which has a step-in shower. So again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath located in the 55 plus gated community of Palm Cay, southwest Marion County on the State Road 200 corridor. For more information, call Kiefer Realty, 352-861-6000. Again, that's Kiefer Realty, 352-861-6000. Love to show you this home.